This is a tutorial on the Journal Template Maintenance screen GL1150. Templates that are set up in this screen are used in the General Journal Entry screen GL1100 when you're entering manual journals into the system. By setting up templates for journals that are reoccurring or journals that are particularly long that you'd be using more than once, you're going to save time when you're manually entering your journals in the manual journal entry screen. When these templates are called up in the journal entry screen, all these entries on the screen here would default onto the manual journal entry screen, and then you can manipulate whatever you want. You can manipulate the amounts, any of these reference document explanation fields. You can add things. You could delete from the template without actually deleting physically from the template. So in other words, when you're in the journal entry screen, you call up the template, you can manipulate it as much as you want for that particular journal entry, and when you're all done, the template will remain exactly the same, but you'll have your new manipulated journal entry. So currently we're going to enter a template into the system, and we're going to call this one consulting. I already have my accounts ready that I want to enter into the template. And we can always enter anything here in the type reference, like any type of journal entry. And now we can do an insert record, and we'll do a duplicate record so we don't have to key all this in again. And we'll come down here and we'll change the account number. And we can save this record. Now we're going to fast track into manual journal entry, GL1100. And we'll create a journal. Now at this point here, we can go to our template pull down, and we can see we have our consulting template available. It's come up on the screen here, and perhaps we want to make some modifications here to this particular template. So we can do so. And we may want to add some more lines to this, or perhaps we wanted to delete one of these lines and add some more lines in order to make it balance. So there we have our journal. We'll requery that. Now we'll go back into the template maintenance, and we'll requery on our template. And we can see the template has remained exactly the same. This method is similar to a repetitive journal in that the same journal can be used again and again, but the difference with a template is with repetitive journals you have to run it through the repetitive journal update, and generally sometimes you just want to go into the manual journal entry, take a template, manipulate it, and there you have your journal all ready to be posted to the general ledger. This concludes the tutorial on the template maintenance screen.